Hi everybody, I am Deepa from Healthy Flavors. Today I am going to show you is how to cure cough using natural ingredients. And the ingredients needed are ghee, pepper and honey. Take 1 teaspoon of ghee, 1 teaspoon of pepper and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix all these 3 ingredients nicely and have this 3 to 4 times daily to get quick relief from cough. When you cough, your body is responding to irritants in your airways and throat. The muscles in your diaphragm contract and try to expel the irritation. Incessant coughing may make it difficult to sleep and get through the day. Ghee is one of the most nutritious Indian food. It is therapeutic in nature, helps line the lungs, prevent infection, prevent dry cough and throw out mucus from the body. Black pepper stimulates circulation and mucus flow. Black pepper acts as an effective natural remedy to prevent cough and cold. When used in combination with honey and ghee, black pepper loosens up the phylum and helps you to breathe. Honey has antioxidant and antimicrobial effects. Also, the sweetness may stimulate salivation and release mucus in the airways and thereby naturally relieves cough. Hope you find these videos useful. Please try these tips at home. You can find more videos on my website www.healthyflavours.com. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share your views on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Be healthy and beautiful.